latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Congress leader and Wayanad MP never leaves an opportunity to hit out at the Modi government. The Wayanad MP's latest attack on the Prime Minister is over Infosys founder Narayana Murthy's warning over India's GDP growth. Rahul Gandhi took a swipe at the government using the BJP's 2019 election slogan. He tweeted, along with a screenshot of the Infosys founder's remarks, "Modi hai to mumkin hai." He tweeted in Hindi, which translates to, "It is possible if Modi is there." Rahul Gandhi has been constantly slamming the Modi-led NDA government ever since the Chinese attack in the Galwan Valley. Now, let us tell you a little about what Narayana Murthy said about the country's GDP. At an event on Monday, Narayana Murthy flagged off fears of the country's gross domestic product hitting its lowest since 1947. He said the economy should be brought back on track and that people should be prepared to live with the pathogen. India's GDP is expected to shrink by at least 5%. There is a fear that we may even reach the lowest GDP growth since independence since 1947. The global GDP has gone down. Global trade has shrunk. Global travel has almost disappeared. The global GDP is likely to shrink between 5% and 10%. The Infosys founder was participating in a discussion on leading India's digital revolution when he made these statements. Narayana Murthy said that right from the first day of the national lockdown, his view had been that people have to be prepared to live with the virus. But even if we are able to vaccinate 10 million people a day, it is going to take 140 days to vaccinate all the Indians. That is a long period to prevent the spread of the disease. We cannot make the economy come to a halt. Overall, 140 million workers have been affected by this virus. So the smartness is in defining a new normal. This normal should allow our economy to grow while moving on the earth and fighting the virus. The Infosys founder also advised the government to increase the number of hospital beds and equipment. India has traditionally not invested sufficiently in public health. We have severe shortage both in talent and in material for a robust public health system. The state of our Institute of Public Health is a good data point. Even today, there's a severe shortage of COVID-19 care facilities in second tier and third tier towns. He stressed on developing a new system to deal with the current situation. He also laid emphasis on creating a health infrastructure for vaccinating everybody once a vaccine was available and working towards a cure for the new virus. In the given system, Murthy said social distancing and use of masks were the best way to combat the virus. But he also lauded the country for having done a decent job under the present circumstances.